How to keep TikTok live playing in background. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now the process is same for both iPhone and Android, so you can do it on both the devices. So let's first of all launch the TikTok application. Now as you launch the TikTok application, make sure that you're logged into your account and simply tap on the live section at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, you'll be able to see the live over here. Now if you want to keep the TikTok live playing in background, simply tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So let's tap on the share icon over here. And as we tap on the share icon, what we can do over here is we can see there are different options. So let's just repeat the process. So here you can see different options. Let's just drag it to the left, and here we have an option of background player. So tap on background player over here. Make sure that you give access to picture in picture, and then now go back and you can just go to the home screen and the live will still be playing. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.